In the wild world of blizzards, photographers face challenges that test their limits. Strong winds whip around, draping everything in white, making it a true battle with nature. Capturing the majestic silence of falling snow requires sacrifice, often leading photographers into frigid conditions for the perfect shot. Veteran snowstorm chaser Julia recounts a near miss with blinding snow, emphasizing the importance of gear and preparation. As the storm rages, every frame reveals the hidden beauty of winter, showcasing the art of snowy landscapes in harsh environments. Blizzards are more than weather. They're an adventure that transforms ordinary to extraordinary through the lens